Hello, this is over histograms. So, let's look at our number routine. So this number routine is over what we learned previously, stem and leaf plots. So in the stem and leaf plot, we want to interpret these quiz grades. So interpret means I want you to summarize. Tell me information about this. So here are the quiz. Let's get my calligraphy pen. Quiz grades. What is the minimum? Minimum. So again, these are the tens place. This is the ones place. So I want you to put the 4 with the 0. If you want to, some kids have to draw an arrow to help them out that way. So I see the minimum as 40. So these are in the 40s. So these are in the 90s. So 92, 96. Way to go. Someone actually got a 96. What is the median? Well, I'm going to write out the numbers out. I see a 40, a 49, a 56, a 58, 59. Again, how I'm going to 56, 58, 59. 60s now. 61, 64, 67, 73, 75, 76, 78, 80s with 80, 85, 87, 88, 92, and 96. Median means put the numbers in order and find the middle. Tick, 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 tick. What is in the middle, straight middle of 73 and 75? 74. Mode. Was there a number that repeated itself? Most repeated. I don't think there is one. Do not say 0. There is none. None. Range. It ranged from 40 to 96. That's how far it's spread out. So how far did the grades spread out? Well, let's subtract this, and it's spread out by 56 points from 40 to 96. And this is what we learned in inequalities. How many quizzes are greater than 86? 1, 2, 3, 4 scores were over or greater or more than 86. So in elementary school, you learn something called bar graphs. In 6th grade, we learned something called histogram. Can you tell me the difference between this? What does a bar graph and histogram share alike? Well, they use numbers on the side. They use bars, so I see bars. I see numbers. What are the differences? Well, here they're not connected, while here they are connected. Oh, here have words, like categories, like different categories, so like what they want, like words. Here are straight up numbers, like here's from 100 to 150, 150 to 200, and these bars are all connected together. They're all stuck together, while here they're all separated, like different colors. So here an answer. There are gaps here. In a bar graph, they have gaps, while in a histogram, there are no gaps. And in a bar graph, they have categories using words, while in a histogram, you see ranges or intervals of number, groupings of numbers, intervals. So let's look at our previous material. The stem and leaf shows 15 ticket prices for a variety of shows. What is the median? What does it represent? So if you put a stem and leaf, it means dollars. So $12, $15, $17, $18, $27, $31, $33, $35, $38, $39, $40, $42, $46, $48, and $49. Tick, 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 tick. $35 is the median. That means this is the halfway point. That means there are numbers that are below it. Half of the numbers are below it, and half of the numbers are above it. It's a halfway point. So Dr. Rice collected data on the number of minutes students spent on homework for one day. How will you respond to this survey? Put the data in ascending from least to greatest. Use the data to create a histogram. So I'll ask different kids. So what do you do for homework? Do, some kids will say, do no homework. That's why they always get homework forms. While other kids say, I spend about 30 minutes doing their homework. And some kids say, I spend about maybe an hour doing homework. And some people say they spend 20 to 29 minutes doing homework. Some people say they spend 40, 49 minutes. So using this, we are going to make a histogram. A histogram is where the bars are connected. There's no gap. And there's a range of numbers. So the range of numbers for the first one is from 0 to 9. And then the next one, then the next one is from 10 to 19. The next one is 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40s from 49, 50s to 59. So from 0 to 9, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the minutes doing homework, and these are the number of students. So from 0 to 9 minutes, we have one kid. From 10 to 19, we have one child. From 20 to 29, we have two children. From 30 to 39, we have five children. From 40 to 49, we have one student. And from 50 to 59, we have two students. So this is our histogram. Do you see any gaps? These are the intervals from it. So from what I can tell, most students take about 30 to 39 minutes to do homework. So the mode is 30 to 39. What would the median be? You have to say the median would be from where to where. So we have 1, 1, 2, we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1 and we have 2. So let's find the median at this. So let's cross out things. Dun, 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 dun. The median will be between the the median will be between 30 to 39. Do not ever do, oh, the median is like that, it's somewhere right here. No. We have one student who voted for 0 to 9, one student who voted for 10 to 9. That's why I drew dots representing the number of students in each interval. So the median would be between 30 to 39. All right. So is this all right, the weather station recorded the high temperature each day. The graph of the temperature data is shown below. Is this histogram symmetrical? Symmetrical mean, think of your face. Symmetrical mean the left side is, I mean, not exactly, because you may have like a freckle on one side and you don't have it on the other side. Is it about symmetrical? Let's see. Is this about symmetrical? Not really. So no, not really, because um, this one is way higher than this one. These are similar. These are similar, but this one, no. So I would not say it's symmetrical. No. So let's answer some question. Put true or false. There are more days with a temperature greater than 60 than less than 60. So let's write the numbers first. 3, 8, 6, 7, 4, and 2. More days greater than 60. Well, these are greater than 60. 11, 13 days greater than 60. 14, 17 days less than 60. False. The station recorded the high temperatures for 30 days. If you add all of these days, it adds up to 30. True. The median is in 41 to 50. So let's go back. Let's draw some dots. 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's get my red pen and find a median. Dun, 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 done. So the median would be somewhere in 51 to 60. That is false. The median temperature set is in between 41 and 50. No, it'd be somewhere here. And 20% of the data is in the 51 to 60 range. In 51 to 60, we have 6 out of 30. And 100% goes here. 20% goes here. Is this true or not? Can you simplify 630? If you divide both numbers by 3, you get 2/10. Can 10 go into 100 times 10? Can 2 go into 20 times 10? That is true. But 20% of the information is between 51 to 60. So in here, here's our last activity. Wendy kept track of the number of text messages you sent each day for 2 weeks. So these are all the text messages you sent. Four students were summarized. Four students each summarized the data in a different way. Which student correctly represented the data? Justify your answer. All right, so Mary says the mean is 29.5, the median is 29.5, and the range is 30. You know what? Let's put them in order first to save us time. So we have 15, 17, anything else? 20s, 20s, 24, 27, 27, 29. We have 30. We have 33, 35, 35. Whoops. I'm going to have to erase that. Wait, let's do it again. 30, 33, 34, 35, 35. Then we have 42, 45. So, highlighter. Dun, finding the median. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, the median is 29.5. I agree with that. The range is 30, from 15 to 45. It's about 30. If I had a calculator, this one is wrong. Let's go to, so because mean is where you add them all up and divide by 14. It would not be 21.5. Let's look at text messages. So this is a dot plot. There are two. Well, first of all, this is wrong. Do you see 10 anywhere even here? No. All right, next one. Let's see. Stem and leaves. 15, 17. Yep, I see that. 20. I'm looking right here. 15, 17, 20, 24, 20, 24, 27, 27, 29. 20, 24, 27, 20. Yep, I see that. 30, 33, 34, 35, 35. Let's see if we see that. 30, 30, 30, 33. Yep, I see that. 42, 45. I think we found our answer. Wait, 42, 45. Yep, I think Geraldine did a great job. Maybe Kennedy did a good job. 15 to 19. There are two numbers between. Yep, that is true right here. How many 20s do you see? 5 of them. This is a histogram. Wait, 20 to 24. Let's go back. 20 to 24. I see 2 of them. And then the upper half of 20s, there's 3 of them. I think this person did a good job too so far. 30 to 35, there's 4 of them. 30 to 35, there's, wait, oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 to 35. No, this person did a bad job. So the only person who answered correctly was Geraldine. So this is a histogram. So in a histogram, you notice that there are no gaps here, and there are intervals of numbers. From it, you can answer questions such as mode. Like for example, the mode is between 30 and 35. Most people responded with that one. You can find median by drawing dots here. 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 1 here, and 2. And then you can cancel things out that needs to be canceled out. Dot, 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 dot. And so the median would be between right here in between 25 to 29 and 30 and 35 histograms.